Aloha. Is everyone already mapapau to get started? So we all have our ola ta'olelo card. Okay, so we're gonna start out with a little bit of a review. And then we're going to learn a new sentence. And then we're gonna play a new game today. Go. You guys can hear me okay? Yep. Okay. I don't have the words for hano hano lana. So let me see if I can pull it up online.
Like a little pop-up.
Okay. I apologize if we're not familiar with it. Give me 1 second, I'll try and pull it up on my document. So I'm gonna pull up hano hano lanai for us, and then we can all do it together. So give me just 1 second. Oh, Yumiko's family. Can I ask you guys' names? Who's joining us today?
My name or Isaac and Esther.
Isaac and
Esther.
Esther. Oh, how do you say that? Eigo no namae.
Yeah, you can speak Japanese. Wow.
Yeah. What do we have? Watashi no nihongo wa warui desu. I'm very bad at Japanese.
上手です。
Okay, here we go. One more time. Awesome. As you guys are learning, we're going to be knowing at least Nihongo, Eigo, and now Hawaii. Different language. Maybe Pidgin too, yeah? Oh, very cool, Esther. Okay, everyone can see we have our movie up. So, So Palikekua sitting up nice and straight. If you can stand up, please stand. Face Mahina Chaos, right like the Okay, no Otako. You guys who taken the workshop, the last few workshops. Can you guys remind one kuleana Isaac, do you mind? I'm going to ask you if you can mute your mic. What's two things we can do to help make this class longer? Yeah, remember, when we do understand, yeah, go ahead, Peter.
Hmm?
Oh, I thought you were raising your hand. Okay. So when we do understand, show that you understand with a whoa, right? And if you don't understand, how do we show it? Like this.
わかんなかったらこうやってやってこうやってわかんなかったらおおっつってわかんなかったらわかんないみたいなアクション
This
して
way, you remember? Or Peter, do you remember? Oh, like this, right? Evelyn, is that right? Was it like this? Okay. So if you don't understand, warukanai, then
OK そうわかんなかったらこうやってやって
warewakanai.
やって
Okay.
So OK
So show when you do understand. Oh,
わかったらこうやってやってってやって一緒にやってこうやってわかったらわかってってこうやってわかった
わかりません。
わかりませんお願いでわかったらこうやってやってってくるくるかもういいよ早かったねはい言われ
Ola ka ʻŌlelo, ola na, ola. Okay. Oops. Oh, that jumped ahead way far. Okay. Maopopo, do we understand? Nanakamaka. Can you show me nanakamaka if you understand? Nanakamaka. What does nanakamaka mean?
Look with your eyes.
Look with your eyes. Nanakamaka. Kaua Vaioli, can I see nanakamaka? Can you show the motion? Okay. O'olohe ka pepeao. O'olohe ka pepeao.
Listen.
Right. Listen with your
Ears.
Right. Pepeao is ear. Oh, what? Shoot. Ear wa nan to imasu ka? How do you say ear in Nihongo? Kiku. What is the word for ear? Isaac, do you know?
Mm,
聞く
さっきね。
聞く
Kiku.
Listen. Listen.
何ですか？これですか？This is
わかりません
what is ear?
耳
Mimi. Oh, hi.
Uh,
Go ahead, pepeo. Pepeo is mimi. And then maka. So everyone show me nana kamaka. Look with your eyes. Nana kamaka. How about olohe ka pepeo? Olohe ka pepeo.
これ見ないじ
Hana kalima. What is our motion for hana kalima?
ゃん鼻から今なんだ
Hana is shaberu, two words. And lima is our K. Is this called K? Our hand, yeah? You guys, do you remember the motion? Something like this. Typing, playing the piano. What is the motion for this word, this hana that's happening right now? Thanks. How can we check?
Kumu Simon.
Yeah.
Wait, can we say it right now?
Yes, please. You want to read it for us?
Anna,
Hana.
work with your hands.
Nice. Hana kalima, yeah. So we have this Hana, typing with our hands, playing piano with our hands. We have Hana kalima, Hana mahi ai, planting. How about Hana lavai'a? What's a motion for Hana lavai'a?
なしのとは。
From our module this week, lavai'a is
Child.
what is it?
うん。
Hana lavai'a.
Child.
Say it again, smile. What is
Child.
smile?
Child.
I don't think I.
Child.
What is Hana lavai'a? Fishing. Okay, Hana kalima. Hana kalima, Hana kalima. On with our lima, ai kawaha. What is ai kawaha? Taberu. I don't know
Play with your mouth.
how to say waha. Yeah, eat with your mouth. Emily, can you explain what that saying means? Hana kalima, ai kawaha. You remember when you eat with your, when you work with your hands, then you eat with your mouth. What does that mean? You remember?
If you work with your hands, I don't know if you. Because if you work. He doesn't remember.
Eliza, do you remember?
So you have to work. So that like you have to work to plant. Like let's say you were planting, like cucumber, and if you don't work, then you will never you'll never get to eat it.
Okay. So let's take some time now. We have some new cards, yeah? So I want you guys to take out your K and your Ka card. Let's put some sentences together. So you're gonna have to look for the words we just went through. First word is nana. Card.
Nana's look.
Ay, polole. Nana. Let's see, this way, yeah. Ka. Ma. Nana kama.
Ma. I face.
Can you set that up on your table right there? Nana kama. Once you have that, let's look for the next one. Olohe. Pepea. I don't know.
How do I come?
Yes, Isaac.
Yes, I did.
Oh no.
No, no.
Oh, Isaac. Brashi.
もっと手伝ったね。ほら。
Oh, aloha, Giselle. You're joining us. Hi, Giselle. I'm so sorry about last week. I'm glad you're here today. Hey, mahalo, Peter. My ka'ilo. So first, now, ho'olohe, mahalo say. Ho'olohe,
I can't find ho'olohe.
Oh, you can ho'olohe. Back.
What?
Giselle, you have this card.
お、あと、出してて。
Ho'olohe comes first. Ho'olohe.
あと、これじゃ見て。
あ
見てみて。
Oh, okay. Mahalo.
あれ
Okay. Let's keep going. Let's look for Hana Kalima.
はい。
Okay, my
Mm-hmm. ていちゃん、もうちょっと手伝ってあげなさい。花かリマ。言ってみる。
花かリマ。
花かリマ。
Hana Kalima. Ho'olohe ka pepea. Nanakamaka. Hana Kalima. Aikawa. Yeah. Aikawa.
Aikawaha.
Ai, may kai. Ai.
か
食
べる。食べる。
Aikawa. So waha comes last. Ai comes first. In Japanese, in Nihongo,
食べ
taberu
る。
last, yeah.
食べる。
May kai. Ai, taberu. Okay. Today we're gonna learn another sentence pattern, and I hope you guys are noticing the order that we're working in is action first, then your ka, and the action.
今日は違う方も勉強します。
Look,
文章、表現。
Tanaka. He's looking. The maka is the thing. Okay. Everybody understands? So show me nanakamaka, the motion. So you remember nanakamaka? How do we show nanakamaka?
This one.
仲間か。
Okay, nanakamaka. So you got it? Nanakamaka? Oh, my God, Giselle, mahalo. How about ho'olohe kapepea? How do we show that? Ho'olohe kapepea. Ho'olohe.
オーロヘパペペア。
Oh,
聞
hey, Papu.
こえませんかな。
How about hana
Hana-kalima.
kalima? Hana kalima.
花かリマ。花かリマ。花かリマ。
Oh, what was I? Like just like this? I don't remember. You gotta make the voice. Oh, the hamburger. Yeah. Okay, Evelyn had the big hamburger. You realize that? Right?
私乗ってくっていうのは、
Oh,
そうだね。
これは。
ワーク。
Giselle, Mike, oh, Giselle.
何言ってるの書いてあるよ。
違う。動詞とかカーとかつけると違うかと思う。
So, you understand? Yes. A thumbs down. Hola. Let's say it together. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Okay. Hola. Ola.
Hola.
Ola means genki, healthy. Ola.
What is it? Yankee?
Oma ima.
That is key.
So say it a little bit slow. O
Oh.
ma ima.
Me.
So come here. I or a ole. Look at this keiki. Ola keiki. Ola. Ole. Imanava. Oma ima iki keiki. Yeah. Oma ima iki keiki. Ola no his types to it. Okay. Kanaka. Kanaka. Oh, first we need a motion. So what is a good motion for healthy and alive? The hand motion. Okay, that's one. Mahalo, Spencer. What is a specific motion we can show? Healthy. Ola. Oh, like this. Just a ola, ikaikaloa, yeah. Okay. Okay. When we get to ikaika, we're gonna have to come up with a different motion. Ikai, ola, ola. How about for oma imai? What is a motion for oma imai? Yeah, it's not aole mai kai, orole. Oma imai. What do you guys think? Well, like this, Peter, like not strong. Or how about two? Okay, go around. Two. Oh my, two. Hey, show me. Hola. Let's see. Hola. Oh, so healthy. My guy. How about oma imai? Hi, oma imai. Okay, kanaka. Kanaka is a person. Yeah, can be a Hawaiian person. In this case, we're talking about human people. Yeah, kanaka. Hola, ke kanaka. So is this man healthy? Ola ke kanaka, I or aole? Ola ke.
I.
Oma ima ike kanaka. Oma chu. Oma ima ike kanaka. I aole. Oh, wait, Oli, you think so? I.
Hola que kamaka.
Hi, ola ke kanaka. The man is healthy. Tell me yes or no. Oma ima ike kanaka.
I.
Aole.
It's. I was gonna say.
Ola ke kanaka. Yeah. Ola no. Nana. I or aole. Ola ke kanaka or oma ima ike kanaka.
I.
Which one is it? Ola or oma ima? Oma ima ike kanaka. He's really not feeling it, yeah? Oma. Okay. Ua ʻŌlelo ho. I. Can we say it together? So na. Na. I. What is aina? Yes, Peter.
And
Land. Aina. Specifically the land that sustains us, that brings us life. Yep. Oh wow, I think already found aina. Like that. Okay, give me a I or a ole. Ola ka aina.
A'ole.
or o ma'i ma'i ka aina? Which one is it?
Ma'i ka aina.
O ma'i ka aina. Oh wait, look at all the pollution. Ha'ole ola. Do we see any trees or animals living there? Ole. Ole, yeah. Ole ola ka aina. O ma'i ma'i ka aina. Ola ka aina. O ma'i ma'i ka aina. Which one? Ai. Ola ka aina. Do we all agree? Ai, ola ka aina. Oh, my kai. Oh, yes. Show our card too, my kai. Can we find ola and o ma'i ma'i? Or actually, we don't have a o ma'i ma'i. Ai, ola no ka aina. Ola ka aina. Ooh. O ma'i ma'i ka aina. Which one? Is the aina healthy and strong? Ola ka aina? Or two? O ma'i ma'i ka aina. Ola. Ola aina. Inga aira ole. O ma'i ma'i ka aina.
A'ole.
Aole ola pa ya. O ma'i ma'i ka aina. Ai. Ai, the aina is not feeling well. Ma'i ma'i eh. O ma'i ma'i ke kanaka. Ola ka aina o ma'i ma'i ka aina. Which one?
Kukuaina.
Ai, ola ka aina. Ola. You guys know where this place is? Where this picture was taken? You ever guess? It's on Lanai. Oh, Mauna Lake. This is Mauna Lake. Yeah? Ola no, Mauna Lake. Ole. Yeah. What's the Manu doing? Look up, Manu. Is this Manu? Or what do we think? Kind of both. I think it's good for the Manu to be eating kopala like that. I totally. Still going. Or maybe not the health. Aina. Okay, Kapua Hinano says, oh, ano o ma'i ma'i, ano mai kai. Somewhat, a little bit. Oh, nana, nana ina i'a. Here, ai, polole, Spencer. Achoo. O ma'i ma'i ka aina. O ma'i ma'i ka aina. O ma'i ma'i ma'i'a. Yeah. When the aina is sick, oh, then that's yeah. How about for kanaka? How about for people? Anna. Oh, there's a lot of pollution. Yeah. O ma'i ma'i ka aina, o ma'i ma'i ka kanaka. Yeah. A lot of us get sick. We get asthma. Yeah. Yeah. Ola ka aina, ai or aole?
Ola.
Ai, ola no. He ke kanaka. Ola ke kanaka. How's the kanaka?
オーラを上げればいいじ
O ma'i
ゃん。
ma'i.
元気がいいんじゃないのです。
Aole.
元気。
Ola ke kanaka. Ola ka aina. Ola ke kanaka. Look how healthy his aina is. all this kalo growing. And then uncle, he's working hard outside. He's anakalima, aikawaha, he's eating kalo.
I.
Ola no.
お腹あいなんじゃない元気な口。
お腹あい。
あいな。
そして、お腹あいな。
全部聞こえてるよ。
ああ。
うんとなってないよ。
わ
わかって。Kind of like because the island is so
How do you
and
mean?
then the after the people is like
Oh, bring it home. But when they go outside, when they when the land is healthy, then the food is this picture, this is a work.
お腹あいな。お腹あいな。
And you can see everybody's working together. Our hands are all together because we're in Pule in this picture. But not only one person, yeah, not only one kanaka, but when the land is healthy, everybody gets benefit from that. Olake kanaka. Okay. Here's another picture in Maunale. Here's Kumkepa. Here's other Kupuna learning from him. Aira ole olaka aina. Is the aina? Ay, my kai olaka aina. Yeah, ola ke kanaka. How's the kanaka? Ola no.
not from
Aina,
Ola
Ay, polole olaka aina. Ola ke kanaka. Okay. Olaka po. Let's look at our main part. So we have some new words, right? We have ola, we have aina, and we have kanaka. Those are new words we're adding to our deck. Today we're gonna play with all the cards. Let's see. How can I do this? Oh. You guys, can you look for the card that has the instructions on top? Eki aloha. Eki aloha. So this is what we're gonna play with. These are the words that we're gonna use. Sadie and I are gonna kind of demonstrate first, and then we can all play together. All the cards. Let's take all the cards together.
but not the con.
What's that?
Cotton.
Okay, out of it. What do you think? Maybe we should just use these for now. You gotta find a double, okay? So let's take out the cards that we know, and then after we can fill it out. But since Kapui and I are just demonstrating, let's take out the one. I haven't given them. So,
Is this like Goldfish? Is this like Goldfish, that game?
Exactly, this is Goldfish. Okay. Oh. Maybe we have an extra card. Okay. So just like in Goldfish, you're gonna take all your cards together. Shuffle them or mix them up. And let's say that each person is gonna get a lima pepa. A lima pepa. Piri, kahi, kahi, lua, elua, koi, ekol, eha, eha, elima. Then the rest of the cards goes down on the bottom. You can mix it up like that. Okay. On your instruction card are the words to ask how to play are the words for the game. Yeah? So we're gonna practice with Kapua Hinano. Our first question, and then we pick up our cards in this look. So does Kumu Simon have a matching card? Do we see a match? Giselle, do you see a match? Which one is the matching card?
Oh,
Okay, so we take the card, put that on the side. That's 1 point. Yeah. And I have 3. So I'm gonna ask Kapua Hinano if she has this card. I'm gonna say, hey, Kapua Hinano. Oh. Hello. We're gonna try this one. So he says aohe ha ke ki'i aloha. So instead of goldfish, we'll say ke ki'i aloha. Okay. Let me pull up the words for everybody.
ゴーフィッシュは相手に欲しいカードを要求してカードをもらう。相手に欲しいカードを要求するんですって。ねえ、何々くださいって言うの。
Let's try that again. I call his name or Kapua Hinano's name. I say, hey, Kapua Hinano. He says, yo. Hey, Hale. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to loa'a. Awe. Loa'a, I, aole. Is this a hale? Aole, yeah? Aole loa'a. Loa'a, ole. Homa now. Yo. Hemakakau. 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 Do I have a maka card? Aole says aohe maka. I say aohe eki'i aloha. Mapopo? Do you guys understand? You think you can figure that out? If we can, so that's the advanced one. If you want to, let's try and use our ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi to ask the question. Yeah. If that's a little too difficult, then we can ask in our the language we're most comfortable with. I'll say, hey Sadie, do you have a hana card? Ole. And then how we?
Could you please repeat what you said?
Ole, not Siri, Sadie. Hey, Kapua Hinano, do you have a hana card? Ole. Goldfish, yeah. Hey, ki'i aloha.
how many cards do we get each?
Elima.
Uh,
You guys want to try? You gonna go ahead and play? So we learned one game last time, yeah. Mindfulness, we learned like concentration. Use your cards to take concentration. Today you can try playing with the ki'i, aloha. Okay. Right. And me and Kapua Hinano will keep playing so you guys can hear what the words are like. Does anybody have questions?
Yes, mom.
You guys
No.
no questions? Giselle? Okay, so Giselle,
No.
you can play, you can either play Go Fish, or if it's easier for you, you can play a matching. Remember that one? My point.
I have to go.
Gotta go. Okay.
I have to go. Because I have hula meeting.
Oh, my kai. Okay, have a good time. Ahui ho.
Bye.
Aloha. Ew. Awe. Ai, he maka kapu. Oh, okay. Oh, umanawa, my turn. Hey, kapui hinano. He aina kau. Aohe aina. He ki'i. Aloha. Oh, ki'i mai. Aloha. Aole aina. Ew. Nana. Aohe. He ki'i. Aloha. E kapua hinano. E lima kau. E lima. Do you have a lima? E lima kau. Aole. E ki'i. Aloha. No? Aole. Lo aole. Yo. Ek minute. Oh, what did she ask me for? She said, "Hey, Pepe ao tau." Aohe. Aohe. I don't have a Pepe ao. Aohe Pepe ao. E ki'i aloha. E kapua hinan. E waha tau. Oh, e home. Oh, e waha. Waha. Like. Wa like. E kapua hinano. Oh, como na vai? Yo. Ai. Oh, aohe ai. E ki'i aloha. Oh, oh, that's weird. Okay. How are we doing? Isaac, wakarimasu ka?
Oh,
Wakatta?
I got
Okay. So, okay. How about let me check in with Peter and Spencer. You guys good? You guys know? Spencer, you guys know how to play Go Fish, yeah? Okay, mahalo. Eliza, how are you doing?
good.
Okay. So you guys know how to play Go Fish, Eliza? Okay. Okay, I'll just work with Isaac real fast. I'm gonna catch him. So Isaac and Esther, why don't we let's play a simpler game for you. What you want to do is you're gonna take your cards and spread it out. Like
何個カード何個だって何個ワン、ツー、5個落ちた
Even
yeah, for now. We're just gonna show that. Oh, Violi, are you still there? Oh, okay. Good, Isaac. Yeah, just like that. So, Isaac, you wanna lay out all the look for your car, popo, lay them out, yeah. And then so it's like this, yeah. You're gonna flip it over. Flip it over, put it over. So turn
Flip over.
so you cannot see the. Okay. And then we will take turns. You're gonna turn over two and try to find the match. So I'll go first. I'm gonna flip over one. And I'm looking for this one. Up. There. It doesn't match, yeah. It's not the same. So then I put it down. Oh, oh. After my can you show them what you
I found four multiple.
Alright, yeah. So Isaac, does that make sense? Wakata? Also, hi. Yosh.
Hi, Yoshi.
Okay. Let's go back again.
わかんない。いいな。何探してるの？何探してるんですかって聞いてみ。わかんない。言ってる意味わかりませんって言うんだよ。I don't think so. He doesn't understand what are you doing, I think. Yeah. He doesn't understand, I think.
Okay. I don't know how to follow my sumimasen, my Nihongo is
It's okay. So
Isaac, do you understand matching?
yeah, he understands matching. Yeah. So matching. So like these and these.
Right. So if you lay out all the parts flat and turn it over,
Mm-hmm.
then you're looking for the match.
Yeah. 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 And then now she's doing.
Oh wow, okay. Oh, you found all the match.
Likeっていうのかな。
So are you going to the art workshop tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, maybe it's easier to explain it first. But I can
Okay.
take it in person. Mahalo for trying your best. Mahalo for trying your best, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we gotta go. We
Yeah,
gotta finish.
we're gonna do one round of another game. Simon says. We will.
Okay. So thank you.
Hi, otsukare-sama.
Thank you.
Oh,
ほら、ありがとう
thank you. Thank you.
消してこれ。
Hold on one second. We're gonna play one round.
もう一回やる。
Peter and Spencer. Emily, you guys good? So let's we're gonna
Yes.
count up now so we can play. We're gonna review with ʻŌlelo Kumu or ʻŌlelo Ote. So Puiluna, stand. He's gonna ask, give us the instructions or do the motion, and then we can do the hand motion for the meaning of the word. Yeah. Okay. So we have nanaka maka, olohe kapepeo, hanaka lima, kawaha. Nanaka. So you gotta speak up.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu,
Even now.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu e nana.
Nana. Makai nana. Nana. Nanaka.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu,
You guys wanna help out? What is the other one? Olohe ka.
ke te ao. ʻŌlelo ke kumu e ʻŌlelo ke pepe.
Olohe ka pepe.
Pepe.
Olohe. Olohe ka pepe.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu ʻaʻole.
Aol. What's the motion for aol?
ʻŌlelo ke kumu ai.
Ah.
Porohe. ʻŌlelo ke kumu ai.
Kawaha. Yeah. Kawaha.
ʻŌlelo ke kumu papopo.
Oh, popo. Oh. Mahalo nui. Oh, my kai is better. My kai. Do we have any questions? What I'll do, we're gonna do Go Fish again on Po'aha on this Thursday. I'll try to put together something so that it'll be a little bit clearer for our other friends, and we'll practice with that again one more time. So mahalo for joining us today. And then Kana Kalima, Aikawaha. You guys work hard and then enjoy what you guys work. Yeah. Okay, ahui ho kako. Yes, aloha. Aloha.